Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn algorithms step by step. First, begin by building a strong foundation in core computer science principles. Understand fundamental data structures like arrays, linked lists, and trees. Grasp basic concepts such as time and space complexity, which are crucial for evaluating algorithm performance. Finally, learn Big O notation to analyze and compare the efficiency of different algorithms effectively. This initial phase is vital for your entire learning journey. Next, dive into mastering core algorithms that form the backbone of many technical problems. Study common sorting algorithms such as merge sort and quicksort, understanding their average and worst-case performance. Explore searching algorithms, including efficient binary search, which reduces search space by half with each step. Actively practice problem-solving on online platforms, tackling at least 5 to 10 new challenges weekly to solidify your understanding and application skills. Once you have a solid grasp of the basics, dive into more advanced algorithmic techniques. Learn dynamic programming to solve complex optimization problems by breaking them into smaller, overlapping subproblems. Understand graph algorithms like Dijkstra's for shortest paths and breadth-first search or depth-first search for traversal. Focus on optimizing your solutions by identifying bottlenecks and improving efficiency, aiming for solutions with better time or space complexity. Finally, consistent practice and continuous learning are paramount for long-term success. Regularly solve new problems, aiming for at least 3 to 5 problems each week to reinforce your understanding and sharpen your skills. Review different algorithm approaches and their trade-offs, understanding why one might be preferred over another in specific scenarios. Collaborate with peers to discuss solutions and gain new perspectives, fostering a deeper comprehension of algorithmic concepts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.